What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into this parabolic softbox with bowing mounts from Ambitful. So let's check it out. This is the Ambitful Q9 60 cm parabolic softbox, a light modifier you attach to any bowing mount, LED or flashlight. It's very deep and parabolic, meaning it helps shape the light in a very smooth way. That's exactly what makes film lighting look good and not harsh. It's built around bowing mount speed rings, so setup is really simple. No wrestling with stiff rods or confusing clips. And that quick release system, oh, that's a big plus if you take it in and take it out of your bag a lot. Alright, why does this matter? The parabolic design is different from a square softbox. Instead of just diffusing the light, it shapes it. So the output is even better, less flat and much more flattering on faces. That means smooth light fall-off, fewer harsh shadows, and natural looking highlights on eyes and skin. When will you actually use this softbox? This is perfect if you are filming, taking head videos, doing product reviews, running an online course setup, anything where you want the light to wrap around your subject instead of blast them with harsh light. I like this modifier because it gives me nice and soft light with a cinematic feel. So, final thoughts. If you're upgrading from a ring light, a LED panel, or just some weak ceiling light, this parabolic softbox will immediately make your videos look more professional. The price of this modifier is $67. I will say it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you want more gear breakdowns like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what product do you want me to review next. So, I catch you in the next one. Pura vida.